What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Karibu sana sana, na kama you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for supporting me, thank you for subscribing to my channel, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Yeah. Okay guys, so today I'm here with another video, and as you can see, I'm looking all good, all beautiful. Kujisikia nayo. Yes guys, so I'm gonna show you how to do eyeshadow. Is it a shadow look? Yeah, so today I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to do your eyeshadow. Yes, so as you can see, my eyes are popping, lakini sijafanya mambo mingi. I haven't really go all through those popping colors. I've just done a dark brown mixed with black kind of look. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget even to comment down there on the comment section. I'll read them guys. So let's get to the video. Okay guys, so first step, I like for my base, to prime. First I'm gonna use this MN Perfect Concealer to set my eyelids first before I do my eyeshadow. So nachukua tu kiasi na mkono yangu, then I'm gonna tap it in like that. Just tap it in. Unaweza tumia brush ama mkono zako, any can do. So just tap it in and let it settle. This helps nini your eyeshadow pop, pop sana than usual, na pia ilikuwa kukuwa na a base. So I'm also going in with this brush and tap it in guys. After that guys, the second step, I'm gonna set it no easy crease before I start my transition guys. So I'm gonna set with this. You can either set with a finishing powder or face powder or a setting powder. Natumia tu hii shida. Hii inasaidia easy crease. Yeah, just like that, and make sure to tap it in. So guys, I'm gonna show you the brushes that I use for transition. I have 5 brush over here. Hizi zote zinakuwa na kazi yake, lakini si lazima, but ziko na kazi. So I have like a fluffy brush. Yeah, but lazima ukuwe na fluffy mpaka ukuwe na fluffy brush for transitioning. Unaona vile inakaa? Yeah. And then I have this one over here. Hii inakaa kind of flat, kind of fluffy. Yeah. Hii mostly wanaitumia for black shades, like color black hivi ama dark brown kabisa. Yeah, ndio maana inakaa hivi kind of blackish. Alafu I have this other two over here. They are also fluffy. Natumia for other transitions also. And I have this sharp pointed what natumia for that thing over ya kuweka hapa kashini whatever. Sijui, but iko na kazi yake, siwezi kosa. And this one I use it for for inaitwaje ile shimmery shade. Yes, for shimmery only it's ni hiyo kazi peke yake. Yeah, so so for the first transition, guys, I'm gonna use this shade and this. I'll mix both of them, Johnny, almost the same shade, minor difference. So first you wanna go into the technique is in circular motion. You do like this and make sure una hold the brush yako nini loose, usishike ikuwe too tight, guys. Don't hold your brush too tight. So if you feel it's not enough, you can just add a little bit. So unaanza na inner corner. Sahau pia. Sorry guys, outer corner of your eyelid. So we start with the outer corner for the first transition. Nenda hivi. And hold brush yako very loose. Don't hold too tight. Yani usi-apply force, by the way. And after that, unaenda beyond your cut crease. Yes. Just do the same thing, even on the other side. Okay, after that, I'm gonna take my other palette. This one over here. I have only two, guys. Then I'm gonna take my brush, this brush here. Then I'll take this shade for my second transition. Inakaa kama color. Is it light brown or is it orange? I don't understand. I feel this camera is not doing justice. I'm only the real color. Sijui inaitwa aje, mtanisamea. Una go beyond. For this shade, you go beyond your cut crease. Like this. You see, guys? Beyond. The technique is in circular motion. And hold your brush loose. Don't hold it tightly. I think you can see it coming through. Then I'm gonna go on the other side. Alafu, guys, also one thing, when you're going beyond your lids, above the cut crease or below the below the eyebrow hapa hivi, make sure unaenda na neutral shade. Usiende na shade yenye iko ina pop hivyo sana. I don't want your lids kupop. Unaenda na neutral shades kama hizi. You have this kind of a yellow. On my other palette, I also have this one. Hey, camera, yeah. Related to my hapo. I'm going in back with this brush that nilitumia kwanzia nayo, just to blend everything. mlango ndio light ya chocolate sana. So next I'm going to the dark shade and I'm gonna use this black this one over here. Just want to tap a little bit, then you tap on your crease. For crease as you can see, guys. Then on this technique, make sure you tap it in. Then after that, you will blend all of it. I'll add a little bit because nataka ikue hi hiki kozi nayo nataka ikue kind of black kabisa. Then on the other side also tap it in. Okay guys, I'm so obsessed with black. Napenda black na brown. I feel like inakutoanga siku sana, and it's very simple and easy to do. But also I'll be I think in my next eyeshadow look tutorial nafanya colors zingine, but I wanted to start first with this kind of neutrals and easy. Yeah. It's coming guys, it's coming. So you will just blend. I don't know if you can see that ombre effect can also come through. So next, for the next step, guys, I'm gonna go with this also dark brown over here, and I'm gonna blend everything up from this point over here. And usione mwisho wa hii black ama mwisho wa hii brownish. So I'm just going to blend everything out with that black. The secret is blending. Blend vitu vizuri. Will achieve a nice, beautiful look. Gorgeous. Yeah. Then I'm also going with this again, the black cedar, and don't add another product. Ile ilibaki hapa, just go with it. Blending everything out. Karibu adui. As you can see guys, you may blend out, and that's it. Nothing else to add guys. Hivyo kidogo imetosha. And I don't know if you can see well this point and this point. Iko well blended. Hizi ona mwisho wake, hizi ona mwanzo wake. But it's kind of black, dark brown, smoky kind of vibe. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, that's how I do my black dark brown eyeshadow. Should I say, let me get everything done, then I'll be back, because hii look haiwezi kuwa safi kama sijamaliza kila kitu. So guys, this is the final look. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I really hope imekusaidia sana to achieve this simple eyeshadow look. Yeah, and iko so cute, iko elegant, iko beautiful, iko gorgeous, and it's a look yenye unaweza endea tu nao mahali kama utaki kukua like all dramatic, ama utaki kukua ile design wa mtu akikuania pale anasema huyu naye lama tuamulia. This is just a settle look, eyeshadow look, yeah, yenye iko tu settled na bado unakaa poa. Hope umenipata, and please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, like, comment, kila kitu guys, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, so see you in my next one. And I think guys, when I'll be uploading this video itakuwa inaelekea Christmas, so let me wish you a happy Merry Christmas and a happy New Year in advance. Yeah, so see you in my next one. Ciao. And before I forget guys, I really want to thank you, all of you who have been showing me love in my videos. Yeah, and I think it's been a good journey since I started my YouTube channel, because I think the next time I'll be uploading it already next year. So I really wanted to thank you for showing me love, for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos and all that. There's this video that is really doing well, and I appreciate you all. So thank you so much. Bye.